Hey guys, it's Maggie here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. I do beauty and hair videos. I hope you stick around and enjoy the iammadjy family. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I refresh my wash and go. As you can see, my hair is looking real crusty, so we're gonna go ahead and bring it back to life. It's a little bit dry, but I've had work, so I'm gonna need to add some moisture back into it. Before we go ahead, please help me subscribe to my channel, and if you enjoy these type of videos, make sure to give it a like. Thank you. I like to section my hair into 4 first, and later on, as you will see, I go ahead and do smaller sections. This just makes life easier. Working with the back section first, I'm just spraying some water and then massaging that in. Next, I'm going in with my Camille Rose Curls Love. I have noticed that my hair really likes this product, so I will be using it more, especially when I'm doing wash and go. I'm using a little bit of this product because right now my hair is a bit flaky, and if I add a lot of products, it's just going to make everything worse. So I'm a little bit careful. As I mentioned earlier on, I like working in smaller sections. So what you are seeing right now is just me sectioning my hair. Next, I'm using my Eco Styling Gel. I'm just applying a generous amount. So not too much, but not too little. Also, recently, I've been using this little brush to define my curls, and oh my days, it is the best thing that I've ever invested in. Got this from my local hair shop. If you guys can find this brush, I will say definitely get it, because as you can see, my curls are really defined whenever I use this brush. I don't know if some of you have seen my previous hair tutorials before, but whenever I did a wash and go, my curls would not be as defined as in this video, and at the end, my hair would just be frizzy. So this is what it looks like up close. I mean, look at my curls. They are so defined. So moving on to the next section, again, I apply a little bit of the Camille Rose Curls Love, or sometimes I apply a bit of water when I feel like my hair isn't moisturized enough. Once that is done, I go in with my Eco Styling Gel and then brush my hair to make my curls pop. So throughout this video, this is what you'll be seeing me doing. Oh yeah, by the way, sometimes if I have a large chunk like this, I just go in and separate the curls. This side is completed. Now we're moving on to the next side. My hair really needs some TLC. I mean, look at that. Oh, yeah, we are definitely liking the curly side better. So I'm just speeding things up because I don't want you to get bored. So once my hair is completed, to speed up the drying process, I'm using my diffuser to diffuse my hair. Then I go in and use the hairdryer to stretch out my hair. Then I go in with my afro pick to pick out the roots, so that way it's got some sort of volume. And here we are, you have reached the end of the video. This is how I refresh my curls on go. Really simple and easy. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more natural hair videos. See you in my next video. Bye.